Manually completing ERP package labels and package fiche documents. Towards the back of the user guide, locate the product fiche and blank package fiche. Within the product fiche, look for the seasonal space heating energy efficiency for the output of the boiler you are fitting. In this example, we are fitting a Baxi Eco Blue 28 kilowatt combi with an efficiency of 93%. Write the efficiency of the boiler you are fitting in cell 1 of the package fiche. Heating controls, solar panels or heat pumps may not come with a package label. Look for the information required to complete the package fiche in the manufacturer's instructions. In this example, we are fitting a basic room thermostat which has been rated as a Class 1 product, boosting performance of the package by 1%. In cell 2 of the package fiche, write 1%. Add the efficiency figures together from cell 1 and cell 2 and write the answer in cell 7. In this example, the efficiency of our package is 94%. Check the efficiency band of the package. In this example, the package is still between 90 and 98%, making it a Class A package. On the package label, mark with an X the items you have fitted and also the space heating efficiency class. In this example, as there is no solar thermal system present, the efficiency rating for hot water is as stated in the product fiche and as shown on the product label. This is Class A with a load profile of XL. Leave the labels, the user guide and the installation instructions with the homeowner. For more information on ERP, visit our website, attend one of our training courses or call our technical experts.